Hermogenes Chendaga Esperon Jr., born February 9, 1952, is a retired Philippine Army general who served as the National Security Advisor in the cabinet of President Rodrigo Duterte from 2016 to 2022. He was the Chief of Staff of the Armed Forces of the Philippines from 2006 to 2008 and Commanding General of the Philippine Army from 2005 to 2006 under President Gloria Macapagal Arroyo. After his retirement from the military, he served in Arroyo's administration as the presidential advisor on the peace process and later as the head of the presidential management staff. Professional experience. Esperon's professional government experience includes presidential management staff, 2009-2010 Office of the Presidential Advisor on the Peace Process OPAPP, 2008 Chief of Staff, Armed Forces of the Philippines CSAFP, 2006-2008. Commanding General, Philippine Army CGPA, 2005-2006 Special Operations Command SOCOM, 2004 20,057th Infantry Division, PA, Fort Magsaysay, Nueva Ecija, 2000 for Deputy Chief of Staff for Operations J3, AFP, 2003-2004. Group Commander, Presidential Security Group PSG, AFP, 2000 to 2003 103rd Infantry Brigade, 1st Infantry Division, PA Basilan, 2,001,600 ND Infantry Brigade, 6th Infantry Division, PA Carmen, Cotabato, 2000-2001. Assistant Chief of Staff for Operations G3, PA, 1,999-2000 Chief, Joint Operations Center Jock, General Headquarters, AFP, 1998 to 1999 Deputy Group Commander PSG, AFP, 1996 to 1998. Commander Presidential Escorts PSG, AFP, 1,997-1,998 Concurrent Task Group Commander, Task Force Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation APEC, 1996 Chief of Intelligence Staff, Southern Command SOUT HCM, currently Westman Com, AFP Zamboanga City, 1995-1996. Deputy for Operations G3, PA, 1993 Battalion Commander, 30th Infantry Battalion, 4th Infantry Division Agusan, 1,991-1,993 Commander, Counterintelligence Group, PA, 199-01991. Staff, Southern Command South Com, currently Westman Com, AFP Zamboanga City, 1,989 1,990 Intelligence Staff Chief. 7th Infantry Division, PA currently Northern Luzon Command, Nulcum, Camp Aquino, Tarlac. 1987 to 1989 National Intelligence and Security Authority, currently National Intelligence Coordinating Agency, and ICA 19771982. Commander, Bicol, 36th Infantry Battalion, 4th Infantry Division Basilan, Sulu, Zamboanga, 1975 to 1977 Platoon Leader, Bicol, 23rd Infantry Battalion, 4th Infantry Division Basilan, Sulu, 1,974-1,975 Cadet, Philippine Military Academy PMA, 1970 to 1970 for education and training. Esperon's education and training include Philippine Science High School, Paise Das Class of 1970 Philippine Military Academy Marangal Class, 1970 for Jungle Warfare and Mountain Operations Course, Philippine Army, 1973. Infantry Officer Basic Course, 1974. Intelligence Officer Basic Course, ISAFP, 1976. Integrated Service Attaché Course, DFA, 1981. Masters in Business Administration, University of the Philippines, which 1,981-1,982 DNF Infantry Officer Advanced Course. 1986 Masters in Management Studies with a major in Public Administration, Philippine Christian University, 1995 Joint Services Command and General Staff Course, AFP, 1996. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.